Cool. This is contains duplicates. So given an integer array, nums return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So with this array, we have 1 and 1. They occur at least twice, so that's why we return true. In example 2, they're all distinct, so we return false. So this one's pretty simple. We're just going to use a set to keep our values that we've seen. So we're going to call it scene, the variable called scene, and we're going to set it to an empty set. Cool. And we're going to do one iteration of the array. So for num in nums, then we're going to do if num in nums. So in this condition, we're going to do if this number that we're currently at, if it's already in our scene set. Actually, no, we're going to do if num in scene, right? So if it's in our scene set, then that means that we've found a duplicate. So then we're going to return true. Return true. Else, we're just going to add the number to our scene set. So scene.add num. Cool. And then if we successfully get out of this loop and we don't return true, meaning that we didn't find a duplicate, then we're going to just return false. Cool. And then let's run the code. Cool. So the memory for this would just be a set of the size n. So the worst case scenario would be big O of n, where the worst case scenario is that we add all of the elements in the nums array into the scene set. As for the time and complexity, that would also be O of n, because we are adding, or because we're doing an iteration for every element in the array. So if the array is of size n, then we're going to have a time complexity of big O of n.